shit. What's up guys? Someone tuning back in another video. And today we're doing a radiator install. Is it over here? It is leaked. Has evidence of coolant. So the first thing I'm gonna drain the coolant out of the radiator. So, since the car is too damn low, I'm gonna jack up one side, see if I can reach in.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Remove the radiator cap to drain it faster. So, open this up. Damn it, I think that was thin. We've got some mounts. They fit over here. So next, we're gonna remove the these two connectors. These connect to the fan. One, like that. Next, we're gonna remove the hose that goes from the reservoir to this to the side. Next, move this top hose and the bottom hose. Just literally held on by these kind of things. Just have to wiggle it out. Got one out. Kind of just that, like, worst case, you'll have to get some pliers and cut, place the hose, but I ain't gotta do that. Try to remove this clamp over here, which is under one of the AC lines. We're gonna spin this around so we can get more clearance. There we go. It's out the way. Next thing is I'm gonna go under and cover and screw on the drain caulk. And then I'm gonna get a pan over here for the other hose on this side. Hey! So if you go under here, there's actually a clamp on the bottom as well to get the on the right side of the car, or the left side. You get that off there if possible. And so we're gonna have to wiggle this hose off. You might have to watch out. You don't get cool on you, but yeah. So after that's out, we're gonna get the top mounts off, and then we're gonna slide the motherfucker off. Okay, so now that the bottom hose, both hoses are off, we're gonna get these 10 millimeters off. Just hold the mounts here. You can see this one's all fucked up. Magnetic tray. Down. Here it is. So next thing we're gonna do is there are these screw bolts or whatever that are up top. We're gonna take these off. I believe they're probably a 10. And then we're gonna throw this on the new radiator. Alright, so these are the old mounts. You can see they're all mangled up. So we're gonna plop these out. Oh, I just realized. So if you don't remember where these brackets go, they're marked left. And then this one's marked right. You can barely see it. We're on camera. These should be pretty easy to go inside. Typically, if you have trouble getting the rubber gaskets in there, you can probably get some WD-40 or some lubricant to get it in there. I believe this is the way it goes. Find out later on. Cool. Anyways, there you go. Moving this on top like so. One, put these on there. Don't gotta be too tight because it's plastic. So, one mistake I didn't do was actually I could have blown out the radiator. I mean, I can do it right now, but I can get some air and blow out the surface because you can have some like styrofoam or something material inside here. But that's I'm just throwing it in, just hope for the best. The drain caulk. Make sure it's tight. This is the old cap. I'm gonna plop it on like so. For some reason, they don't like including these caps with it. I don't know why. So we'll put that on after, but take it over here. Slide it in like you're sliding it into a pussy, huh? Check under it, make sure it's mounted properly. To make sure there we go. Make sure, because there are actually mounts on the bottom too. Make sure they seat into these brackets, and just make sure it's straight and goes through. Next thing is this. Throw this hose on there, and then I get my pliers to get this on there. Where the head at?
Behind you.
Oh, get your mounts. They could potentially snap them. Snap because it's threaded on there, on the frame of the car. Okay, next, I'm gonna throw this on there, this hose. So, spin this around so coolant can flow freely, or as freely as possible. Two, one, four. So, get these hoses, these clamps on. So actually good practice to replace these with I forgot what it's called, but you screw it. Those stupid, I can't think of it right now, but they're clamps you screw on, or you put on. So those actually work way better than this, but it's all I don't have a. Slip this on. That's on there. Two connectors. Now we're gonna fill up. It's dry right now. We're gonna fill up the radiator with coolant. Okay, look inside over here. It's already pretty full. So we're gonna start the car up. And yeah, we'll add on what we need to do periodically. If we need to put more, less. If you're doing this, make sure you have your AC on, or not AC, your thermostat on. So go in the highest setting you can. Make sure it gets fucking hot. Just make sure you check your we're gonna start seeing air bubbles come out. You can see there's coolant. That's just because of it's sprayed everywhere. So if we start seeing this go low, add more coolant. Yeah. So you see here, it's starting to get a little bit low. So we'll start to top it off a little later on. Make sure our goal is to make sure that stays in the middle. And it doesn't go too high, because if it goes too high, I mean, there's air in the system. You see right now it's starting to air out. Yeah, so I got a pan under here just in case it starts to drip into the floor. So see the bubbles coming out? That means air is releasing from the cooling system. So once the bubbling stops, we're gonna cap it off, and then we'll basically be done. Okay. As you can see, the bubbling has stopped. So we should be good. And yeah, so let's cap it off. Damn, it's hot in there. Oh. So yeah.